Good day, everyone. We are the Group 5 and we're going to report the Chapter 5, the uses of technology, the E paradigm. So, when you hear the topic, what comes up to your mind, or do you have any learnings or knowledge about the topic? So, comment down below. Chapter Overview. The application of technology to further your cause is a challenging undertaking to end with. Living in digital climate requires us to become more sensitive to their uses to be able to stay in track. In communication, one is now given an array of options by which messages are conveyed. Several sites and applications can help anyone who would want to present an output in a more dynamic way, but virtue of colors, images, animations, templates, and so on. Rapid changes in technology have created a market and a society where information is a king. In the recent decades, have seen a dramatically accelerating pace in the development and adoption of new technologies. Rapid technological changes involves, among the others, technologies like big data, the Internet of Things, machine learning, and more. This rapid technological change is affecting almost every area of the economy, society, and the nature. Lesson 1. The multimodal engagement. Creating multimodal text prompts readers to be more skillful in acknowledging differences from one mood to another. There is a need to know the purpose, audience, and genre to know what mood is exactly needed. This means engaging with concepts and ideas in multiple ways: reading, listening, watching, writing, and many more. These are learnings through different sensory modalities, opens a world of possibilities for engaging lessons and activities. Photo Story 3, Movie Maker, and iMovie allows users to integrate images, narrations, and sound. Animoto combines images, sound, print. Photo Story 3 for Windows. It helps to create exciting video stories by adding panning and zooming effects to your picture. Presenting story or essay primarily through images. A photo story is the international use of pictures or words assembled into a story. The next slide is the example of Photo Story 3. The next topic will be discussed by Mr. Cola.
Audacity. Let's record, edit, and mix narration and music. So what does mix do on Audacity? Mixing refers to the process of combining multiple selected Audacity tracks which play simultaneously into a single track. Audacity mixing automatically when playing or exporting, but it can also physically mix selected multiple tracks together into one within the project. Audio mixing is the process by which multiple sounds are combined into one or more channels. In the process, a source's volume level, frequency, content, dynamics, and panoramic positions are manipulated or enhanced. Visualicious 2 enable user to combine videos, photos, music, and stories through a simple talk and tap process. Based on my research, the examples of Visualicious 2 is a cloud-based platform that assists businesses with video automation, creation, and editing for B2B sales and marketing purposes. It offers a variety of other features such as messaging, customizable branding, performance metrics, real-time feedback, audio mixing, and analytics. Visualicious 2 is a video editor app with features for sales, social media, and real estate. VoiceTrade. Users' voice along with documents, snapshots, diagrams, and videos. Many people already realize about the importance of videos in sharing memories, from still pictures to moving image. These moments of life are seen to extend meaning to the public. Short film trailers and documentaries are some of those by students, faculty, and corporate individuals on a daily basis because meaning to them matters a lot. Example of VoiceTrade include uploading a PowerPoint presentation or other media and adding audio via commenting feature. You can also use the drawing tool to mark up your content as you comment. Audio can be input via microphone, webcam, or even by phone. VoiceTrade is an interactive collaboration and sharing tools to enable students to build online presentation by adding images, documentation and videos, and other media to which other users can add comment of discussion. One of the easiest perhaps is doing digital storytelling that can be learned by anyone after viewing some example. Some example is in the next slide.
Good day everyone, I am Anthony Consuelo, and for this video it is about the Digital Storytelling Association. So considers digital story as a modern expression of ancient art of storytelling. So why is it called a modern expression of the ancient art of storytelling? So it's because it has been around for thousands of years, and it has been an important way for people to share knowledge, history, and entertainment with each other. Digital storytelling is just the latest way of people are using technology to share stories and connect with each other. So it means that using digital media, you can create media-rich stories to tell, to share, and to preserve. Digital stories derive their power through weaving images, music, narrative, and voice together, thereby giving deep dimension and vivid color to characters, situations, and insights. Media presentation have become commonplace wherever you go on the internet, and its necessity is drawn from its quality that simply makes any viewer very engaged with what's being viewed. So, due to the elements that contribute to its excellent quality, one should not simply neglect the art of the storyboarding. So, if you have something that to present, it should be presentable and productive. So, if it has a excellent quality, you have the chance to catch the attentions of the viewers. So it is a prerequisite of all media activities involving the combinations of narration, photos, videos, music, and more. So success is deemed attainable once these media elements are perfectly in place. Quality post production is simply guaranteed. So let's see what are the example of this media presentation. So this is the sample of storyboard. It would look like this. This is its format. Next is this is the example of storyboard. Next, and that's it.
The next slide will be reported by Mr. Colasin.
The sequence go as lengthy as possible depending on concept you are trying to build. Prime the PowerPoint alternatives, on the other hand, for business presentation are Prezi, Timeline GS, Banker, Tenderbox, Bid Sketch, Business Model, Fiddle, and Hot Glue. Whichever application you may want to use for best has indicated in The fourth most important element for a successful business presentation. In additional example, separate ideas aren't easy because if we think it's not easy to understand if it is separated, but if we use some quotes or image we can easily understand the topic or the meaning of idea. Instead of giving more definition, you just put an understandable or a keyword for you to understand. For begin with, separate ideas with powerful quotation or image. For more impact, introduce each separate topics or idea with a relevant quotation or full screen image that evokes the topic instead of using stock title slide. Add a word or two about the topic if you have to. Simply say it out loud and let the quote or image support it.